The Banyan Trees Whisper, the story of India's independence. Young Rohan sat by the ancient banyan tree, its roots like wise old arms reaching for the earth. He loved hearing stories, but today his heart yearned for a special one, the story of his own land, India. His grandmother, Leela, with eyes that held the wisdom of ages, smiled. Ah, the story of our Bharat, our India, is a tale of courage, unity, and the unbreakable spirit of our people. Once, long ago, Leela continued, our land was not truly our own. Others ruled, and the people yearned for their own voice, their own destiny. But from every corner, from humble villages to bustling cities, a quiet strength began to rise. People, young and old, rich and poor, stood together, their hearts beating as one. They marched peacefully, sang songs of freedom, and spun their own cloth, showing the world that their spirit could not be broken. Every thread woven was a promise of independence. Many brave souls, like guiding stars, led the way. They taught that true strength lay not in weapons, but in truth, non-violence, and unwavering determination. The struggle was long, filled with challenges, but the dream of a free India burned brighter with each passing day. The unity of the people was their greatest power. Then, on a magical dawn, the sun rose on a new India. The tricolor flag, vibrant with hope, soared high, proclaiming to the world, India was free. Leela smiled. That day, August 15th, was not just the end of a struggle, but the beginning of our own journey, a journey where we, the people, would build our future. Rohan looked at his grandmother, then at the vast sky. He understood now. India's independence was a gift, a responsibility, and a story he would carry in his heart forever. The banyan tree